Hello again, Les. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to use this layout that I created at a crop, but it's only half done. My bestie from the Northern Midwestie made so much fun of me for this layout because I took all the time to fussy cut out all the flowers. I fussy cut out the paint brushes with the splatters. I adhered them to this. I put everything on there, and then I documented the hailstorm that we got hit with in 2024. That's my husband's hand. We had $25,000 worth of damage to the houses, garages, and property. That's my yard with those softball grapefruit size hail bombs. So, anyway, she was like, I can't believe that you spent all that time doing all that work for that photo. And I was like, I'll scrap day every day. So I didn't have time to finish it. So I just found it. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna zhuzh this the rest of the way up, and we're gonna use it to showcase some more of the Buttons Galore and More subscription box. So if you guys still haven't signed up for that, you need to. We're just gonna put this right here because why not? All right. Before I add the big embellishments, let's go with, I was kind of doing the tone on tone type thing. Put a little noted there. And there's really nothing else on here that, I'll do a little the good and the bad, right? Okay. What else do we have in here? Ooh, let's pop that one up, right? Because it's like perfect from one to the other. I know we bypassed the green there, but that's okay. I'm trying to use up all of these non-fun foam things. Oh, you know what? I just placed an Amazon order. Do I need to order more foam? Fun foam, that is. The last time I screwed up and ordered non-fun foam, and I'm still trying to use that all up. And I buy in bulk, so I don't have to order so much. But yeah, we're gonna go right like that. All right, what does this have? Let's do a little bit of that right there. Okay, we got the value pack here. And let's just see what we got. I want to use these silver tones. So like always, I just go in. Ooh, a little much. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use those scissors. Whoa. Fiskars. So we got this one that we're just going to pop in. And I always cover the little prongs. Oh! That slipped right out of my hand. Cover the prongs, and then I give a little cover everywhere because I never know where it's going to balance. Oh my gosh. I don't even like it there. Oh! You guys ever do that? Just completely lose your entire... Probably should just put my glasses on. Let's get this one as well. Now we gotta get the other side. That sucker's gone. I gotta find that. So I'm trying to keep my craft room clean. Let's try to hold on to this one. Oh my juice. We're gonna put it right in there. Kind of turn it a little bit. All right, what else do we want to grab? Do we want to use the bronze too? Yeah, let's go for it. So this is a perfect box for any kind of like wedding or love or Valentine's Day. All coming up. And we'll get one more. This is how I get glue all over me. This guy, I think we're going to go right here. So again, I just clobber the whole thing in glue. Something will stick. All right, and then we've got these little guys. So I do want to need a gray. And this was in so we're going to do hail, storm in March. I may forget that. All right, so for this, I am just this is a technique that I've used before. Not with these guys though. So these also came in the subscription box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drop them into the glue. Using the bigger ones like so, and then we're going to go with the next size and fill in the gap. Okay, this glue will hold. Oh, I have a case of the dropsies or something today. How fun is this? These are just little colorful pearls. And then we're going to come in. Now the glue is going to dry clear, so it's not going to matter if you can see it. But you can tell when it grabs hold of it because it doesn't roll anymore. Let's get another one. I want it to go right here. I didn't have any glue there, so okay. And how cute is that? Get that guy right there, and then I need one more small one right in here. then it just looks like it's just kind of cascading down, right? Like it just kind of fell and it settled because the way that the frame is angled. Fun, fun. All right, I really don't think the red is going to set it off. We could go with these two little golds, but not feeling like Cupid was involved. So I think that's going to do it. So don't forget to head on over to Buttons Galore and More and pick up your subscription box. This has been so much fun to use. And as you can see, I still had a ton left to use up, and I will be using it up because that's the goal. And I like the little bottles and the cute little things that everything came in. There's tins. It didn't come in this little case. This came in a package. I have these little cases that I bought a while ago off of Amazon for little, actually it was for sequin storage, but then I never took my sequins out of the packs. So, and I just trimmed the little thing down. All right, that is going to do it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I look forward to seeing you again. Come back and find some more fun Buttons Galore and More items. Do you think, I think we should. Let's come in with some gold because we've got two other. Let's just mix the metals today, right? We'll do a little bit up here. And the rest all down here. This is very old Heidi Swap Color Shine. I had to revive it with water and alcohol ink because I found it when I was cleaning out the scrap room. And I will not add anything else to it, but we are down to here. So we are at this level, and when I revived it, it was here. So I've been like making a mission to use these things. But I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.